Here's why 99% of the people that start an online business fail. This represents a mountain. This mountain is covered in snow. You are right here, starting your journey. Here's your little snowball. Let's say this is your first affiliate marketing business. You signed up for some program, some course. You start pushing that snowball up the hill. You're excited, and it's pretty easy. Like, you're just, learning what you need to learn and going. About here, your snowball got bigger. Like, okay, it's a little bit harder, but I'm never gonna give up. I'm gonna keep going. Now you hit this point. Snowball is bigger yet, and it's getting harder, and you haven't made a sale yet. All right, I'm gonna reach out. I need somebody to help me. I must not be doing something right. The snowball is so heavy. That's fine. Keep going. You're still pumped. You're still going. Here is where your snowball got so big that you're almost not able to push it anymore, and you haven't made a sale yet. Oh, this is too hard. I can't push this snowball anymore. I still haven't made any money. I must be doing something wrong. I need a different program or course. I'm gonna sign up with this guy. Guess what? That snowball just fell all the way back down before it could go over the top. And you're starting from ground zero. Okay, got my new mentor. This is gonna work this time. Same thing, little snowball. Next, get harder, getting harder. You are so close to the top, but it's so hard to push that snowball any further. You must be doing something wrong. You need another course. You need another mentor. You need to sign up with somebody else. There goes your snowball, down to the bottom again. Let's start over. Had you just pushed through that, even though you didn't get a sale yet, you're so close. You're right there. Once you tip over the top here, that giant snowball is gonna fly down the hill because there's a lot of weight behind it. Guess what happens as it goes down this hill covered with snow? That's right. It's gonna get bigger. Here's your money. Here's your money. Down here, it's gonna be so big, you're not gonna know what to do. So don't give up, guys. Just because you haven't made your first sale yet, never stop. You have to keep going, otherwise you're never gonna make it. And that point is where almost everybody falls off. This is where maybe 5% live. They're the only ones that pushed through all that hard stuff and made it work. So be the 5%.